Teppanyaki squid, Chinese-style grilling at its best. Love it. Hit 1. Hate it. Hit 1. Wanna learn? Hit 1 too. Anyone who'll eat squid with their eyes closed is basically fearless. So how'd you tell soaked squid from fresh? First, check the body. Avoid the big, white, shiny ones. Pick the dull-colored, tube-shaped ones. Second, feel the texture. Good squid's got bounce. Head stays on, skin's tight. Soaked ones crumble, feel brittle. Third, smell it. Fresh squid should smell like seafood. If it's got that chemical or sharp smell, watch out, this one's not bad. It was alive before it died. Roll it into a ball, cut open the squid body. Remove the guts. Pull out the cartilage. Peel off the dark skin. Pop out the eyes. Pull the teeth, trim the skin too. Trim it up. Now the squid's clean. Use 2 skewers through the middle. Score both sides randomly. So why'd you think we score it? Stops it curling. Looks better. Cooks faster. For that amazing teppan squid smell, you need sauce so good it makes socks smell tasty. Hot pan, hot oil, bean paste, garlic chili sauce, there we go. Low heat, slow fry, brings out the aroma. Then we sauce it up. Sauce it up, tons of seasoning for maximum flavor. Like using tons of coins to watch the tastiest videos. Add water, there we go. Makes the texture lighter, but still fragrant. Smells amazing. Hey, your little one's ready. Chicken's perfect. To perfectly recreate that street food vibe I had, I specially got this 20-inch iron plate. 'Cause without an iron plate, it's like students taking tests without, like a soldier going to war without a gun, the cat's soul. Strong heat, but if you're making this at home, a regular pan works too. Like how wife cakes have wives and cakes. Dragon fruit has dragons and fruit. Missing one isn't a big deal. Makes sense. Do you even hear what you're saying right now? Enough talk, though I've said most of it already. Press the squid on the griddle repeatedly. Keep pressing. Cook out the excess moisture. Faithful chirp, yibu corn. Now the squid's rich and flavorful. The sauce gleaming red, more striking than colorful black, with that juicy squeeze, piping hot. Crispy skin with tender meat. The aroma fills the air. Makes you feel like you're right in the bright lights of a bustling Changsha night market. I'd say you love that amazing smell. How's it so good? Dizzy from the aroma. Finally, give me 2 more scallions. Let me fry my blues to ice. I'm grown up now. No choosing, I love it all. Wow, one big bite. The message my brain gets is just one word. I'm gonna devour this plate. Rich sauce soaked right into the meat. It's got some chew, but tender too. You can really feel each bite. This squid though, it's tasty, but kinda hard to eat. Gotta cut it up for dad every time. Baby chicken, perfect for going offline. Comments keep saying, Fanfan got injured at work, how much do I weigh? Ladies, always remember, keep some mystery about yourself, like my weight. I'll tell you 90 pounds. The other 90, that's classified. See you next time.